Okay, so I am at the stand of Hunerkopf, a manufacturer of high-end equipment for motorhomes, RVs in general. Here we have a safety window. The safety window says minus 31 decibels, but more to the point, I think, is how it is actually, what it looks like. We have here, this will catch onto inside, and that I suspect is really difficult to open from the outside. And you can see both sides we have the same. Now, next thing about this window though is I've got security as well at the top, as you can see around here, but also the glass is extremely difficult to break. Won't be doing a demonstration of it from here, but it can. Oh, I don't want to see a demonstration. No, I'm not getting one. No, I'm always frightened that something like this just won't work properly. But here we can see how the construction of the window. So you've got the two layers in here, and see around the side as well. And so there was a demonstration of actually using a sledgehammer on it. I rather feared we were going to start, because there's always one fears that the thing might, the demonstration mightn't work. But that gives. I did once see a demonstration. I said something was unbreakable. Like this is before I started filming, and unfortunately jumped on top of it and the whole thing broke. But anyway, they did it. In 2017 at Caravans, took a sledgehammer to it. So anyway, let's have a look around the side. And around the side we have got a very simple opening mechanism. You see, so it's, and then you've got what else you'd expect from a vehicle, which is the mosquito screen and their blackout blinds. Now for something like this, and inside we've got, as you normally get as well, the brushes to aid it coming up and down. So for something like this, you're around 1,300 euros, which is I've filmed things before, even over 2,000. So I think the price is quite reasonable for what it actually does. So great. So I hope you found that of interest, and if you did, then there's stacks of equipment on this channel, and there's a link below to where you can get one of these if you want to get one of these. I mean, certainly if you get an expedition van or something like this, I do appreciate for a normal motorhome it may be a bit on the expensive side to put 5 of these in, but from the security point of view, it's I think a particularly useful piece of kit. So thanks for being with me. Links below, and all the best from Fulda in Germany.